Dreams can be fascinating, exciting, terrifying, or just plain weird. While there is no clear consensus on why we dream, researchers have learned quite a bit about what happens while we are dreaming. So, here are 10 things you should know about dreams. First, everybody dreams. Adults and babies alike dream for around 2 hours per night, even those of us who claims not to. In fact, researchers have found that people usually have several dreams each night, each one typically lasting for between 5 to 20 minutes. Second, you forgot most of your dreams. As much as 95% of all dreams are quickly forgotten shortly after waking. According to one theory about why dreams are so difficult to remember, the changes in the brain that occur during sleep do not support the information processing and storage needed for memory formation to take place. Third, not all dreams are in color. While most people report dreaming in color, there is a small percentage of people who claims to only dream in black and white. In studies where dreamers have been awakened and asked to select colors from a chart to match those in their dreams, soft pastel colors are those most frequently chosen. Fourth, men and women dream differently. Researchers have found some differences between men and women when it comes to the content of their dreams. In several studies, men reportedly dreaming about weapons significantly more often than women did, while women dreamed about references to clothing more often than men. Fifth, animals probably dream. Many think that when a sleeping dog wags its tail or moves its legs, it is dreaming. While it's hard to say for sure whether this is truly the case, researchers believe that it's likely that animals do indeed dream. Sixth, it is possible to control your dreams. A lucid dream is one in which you are aware that you are dreaming even though you are still asleep. Lucid dreaming is thought to be a combination state of both consciousness and REM sleep, during which we can often direct or control the dream content. Seventh, negative emotions are more common. Over a period of more than 40 years, researchers Calvin S. Hall, PhD, collected over 50,000 dreams accounts from college students. These reports were made available to the public during the 1990s by Hall's student William Damhoff. The dream accounts revealed that many emotions are experienced during dreams. Eighth, blind people may dream visually. In one study of people who have been blind since birth, researchers found that they still seem to experience visual imagery in their dreams, and they also had eye movements that correlated to visual dream recall. Ninth, you are paralyzed during your dreams. REM sleep is characterized by paralysis of the voluntary muscles. The phenomenon is known as REM antonia and prevents you from acting out your dreams while you are asleep. 10th, many dreams are universal. While dreams are not often heavily influenced by our personal experiences, researchers have found that certain dreams themes are very common across different cultures.